Hi, welcome to your wallpaper and icons tutorial for Macs. So to install your wallpaper, you're going to click on the Apple icon, System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver. And then I have mine in my downloads, so I could click here, but if to get to the actual folder, let's just click on the plus. And then whatever folder you downloaded it to, you can scroll to from this side, the left side. And then here's my folder right here. Your pictures should show up here. For some reason mine aren't, but I just know the name of the file. So I'm going to click choose, and then it automatically updates it for you. And then you can organize your folders however you want to in the rectangles. And then to change your folder icons, you're going to back click on a folder, click get info. And then I had already dropped one of the icons right here, this cream folder. You're just going to take that icon and drop it into this folder up here, and then see right here how it changed the icon of the folder. And then you can do that for all of your folders. And you can change it to the icons as well, the little dessert icons if you like. I would suggest to either save all of the icons to your desktop like I have here, and then afterwards you can delete them from the desktop after you have changed all of your icons. Hope that helps. Thank you.